guys, welcome back to another Evelyn's video. My name is Evelyn, and today we're assembling our 3D metal arch frame backdrop stand. Let's jump right in. First, add the short metal bars to one of the curved pieces. Now connect the two curved pieces to one another. You can use a hex key to secure the screws tightly in place. Next, connect the short metal bars to one of the tall rectangular pieces. Now add another rectangular piece to complete one of the base pillars. Repeat the same process for the second base pillar. Lastly, set the curved portion of the 3D arch on top of the base pillars and secure the three pieces together using the remaining screws. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to stop by our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thank you again and see you next time.